Hi, everybody. So we are still working through financial literacy. We're on section 20.3, and today we're going to talk about spending decisions. Spending decisions. Did you know that you make a choice every time you spend money? Did you know that you can either plan on ways of spending money or sometimes do unplanned spending? Two different ways of doing spending decisions. Today, we are going to answer the essential question: what are the benefits of planned spending decisions? Planned spending decisions. First, let's talk about a couple of vocabulary words. We're going to unlock the problem, but first we need to know what the words purchase and spend mean and how they relate to what we're learning. So to purchase is to obtain by paying money for an item or a service. When you spend money to purchase something, you give it to someone else in exchange for something. So a purchase is something you spend money on. So this is spending money. And to spend money means you are giving money away in exchange for something else. So you're spending it. So let's say that I went to Toot and Totem and I really wanted a large sweet tea, because sometimes that just makes my day better. So I walk into Toot and Totem, I go and I get my tea, and then I go to the cash register. When I put my tea on the counter, they ring me up. I give them money. I'm spending money. And then I get to take my purchase or my tea with me. It's an item that I spent money on. So it is my purchase. Okay, so let's look at this scenario, this problem right here. It says Carlos wants to purchase a new baseball glove before summer vacation. So Carlos wants to spend money. He knows what he wants to purchase. And he knows he wants to do it before summer vacation. So he has saved $36. The glove costs $48. Carlos plans to save $4 each week. It is 3 weeks before summer vacation starts. Will he be able to save enough money to purchase the baseball glove? Okay, so Carlos, this is an example of planned spending. He is planning on buying a baseball glove. He's saving his money so he can make the purchase, so he can spend it. So let's look at how we figure out if he'll have enough to actually buy the glove. It says, how much money will Carlos have saved before summer vacation? Well, how many weeks do we have before summer vacation? In this instance, there are 3 weeks before summer vacation. How much is he saving every week? He's saving $4 each week. What's 3 times 4? 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 times 4 is 12. So he will have saved $12 in 3 weeks. That's pretty good. So we know that he has saved $36 so far. And we know that he's going to save 12 more. So if I add 36 plus 12, I'm going to start in my ones place. 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 plus 3 is 4. Will he have enough money to purchase it? The glove costs $48. As long as there's no tax on it, he will be able to save enough money to buy the baseball glove. So Carlos has made wise choices in saving his money, how much to save each week, and then knowing what he wants to spend it on. Having a plan. Okay, he has a plan on what to spend it on. Let's look at what unplanned spending can do, though. Sometimes we really want a candy bar to go with our iced tea. But sometimes that can eat up into the money we should be spending on gas for the car or something. So let's see what happens with Carlos. It says unplanned spending. Remember, the prefix un means not. Un means not. So in this case, unplanned means not planned spending. So what if Carlos sees a team t-shirt on sale for $10 next week? That's really good for a team shirt. Should he make the purchase? Well, let's do the math. If Carlos buys the t-shirt, he will have $36 minus the $10 for the cost of the shirt. 36 minus 10, I just need to take 1 away from the tens place. So it's $26. Okay, so that's how much he will have. Let's see what he'll have in 3 weeks if he continues to save. It says in 3 weeks he will have the $26 after he buys the t-shirt, plus the $12 that we know he's going to save. So what's 26 plus 12? Let's start in our ones place. 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. Is Carlos going to have enough money? The baseball glove still costs $48. Carlos now only has $38. So if he buys the t-shirt, Carlos will not have enough money saved to buy the baseball glove before his summer vacation starts. So sometimes unplanned spending can be detrimental to what you have already planned. Okay? Sometimes it's better not to get that candy bar or not to get the t-shirt so you can still save your money for what you had planned to spend it on, for the purchase that you're waiting to make. Let's go ahead and look at the next page. You're going to be working on these problems on your own and then checking your work at the bottom. Same kind of thing. This young lady's name is Olga, and you're going to see what happens with Olga in her ceramics class. That word is ceramics, so like pottery. Pretty cool. So read through each question, really think about what it's asking you to figure out, and then when you're finished, check your work at the bottom.